these are the factors that affect the crop production modeling. In crop production modeling, we are giving the input as the characteristics of soil. It can be a climate or weather condition. Then it depends on the particular plant or crop. Then management practices, how the farming practices are managed. So these are all input for the crop modeling. So based on these factors or based on these components of input, we can get the crop yield. So crop yield depends upon these factors. So the crop yield depends upon the environmental factors such as soil characteristics, climate, the particular plant, type of plant, then management techniques in behavior, the irrigation techniques or pest control techniques or fertilization use. So depends upon all these parameters, various parameters, the crop yield is given. So we can get the production of particular plant or crop depends upon these environmental factors. Okay? So this is called as crop production modeling. There are various types of crop production modeling. There are various types of models are used. The first model is statistical model. The statistical model represents the relationship between weather parameters and yield. Represent the relationship between weather parameters and yield. In the statistical model represents the relationship between the weather parameter and the yield. Here the relationship can be measured by using statistical methods. Second model is mechanistic model. In the mechanistic model, it will not only the relationship of weather parameter and yield is measured, it can also represent the mechanisms that are used in a particular model. When you compare both statistical and mechanistic model, in the statistical model it will find only the relationship between the weather parameter and the yield. In mechanistic model it will also find the mechanisms that are used in the planning. The third model is stochastic model. In the stochastic model, approximately element is attached to represent this model. Here it will represent for each set of input how the corresponding output is produced. That is represented by the stochastic model. The next one is dynamic model. Okay, dynamic model, time is included as the variable. Here it will calculate dependent as well as independent variable value having constant over a period of time. dependent as well as independent variables having values. That values will be a constant over a period of time. Then next model is static model. In the static model, time is not included as a variable. Here, time is not included as a variable. Here also, both the dependent as well as independent variables are having values. That values become constant over a period of time. Next model is deterministic model. In the deterministic model, these models estimate the exact value of the yield. Deterministic model will determine the exact value of the yield or dependent variable. Next one is simulation model. Simulation model determines the agricultural function, yield point, simulation model will estimate the agricultural production in terms of weather condition as well as soil condition. The last model is explanatory model. Explanatory agriculture. The last model is explanatory model. Explanatory model specifies the quantitative description of the mechanisms and the processes that are involved in planting process. That is, here the various mechanisms are processes such as fertilization process, pest control mechanism, irrigation mechanism, planting rate. These are the various practices as well as mechanisms that are used in planting process. So in crop production modeling, the output or the crop yield depends upon the various factors, environmental factors as well as the planting mechanisms. We can consider these mechanisms are environmental factors such as soil quality or soil characteristics, climate or weather condition, depends upon the plan as well as management practices. So there are various models are used in crop production modeling. Statistical model. The first model is statistical model. It will represent the relationship between weather condition as well as yield. The relationship between weather condition and yield can be calculated based on the statistical method. Second one is mechanistic method. Mechanistic model. In this model, not only relationship between weather parameters and yield is measured, it can also consider the mechanisms that are involved in the planting process. Third is the stochastic model. In this model, probability element is considered here. It will represent set of input parameters. So for set of input parameters, it will find or determine the set of output parameters. Next model is dynamic model. The dynamic model, time is included as a parameter. Here both dependent and independent variables will have values. That values are constant over a period of time. Then in statistic mechanism involved in planning process. In failure, pest control mechanism or irrigation technique or it can be a planning process. So these are various kinds of crop production modeling.